You're recording now? Okay, you know what? I didn't bring the tape, but that's okay.
So there's a timer to set to on the GPS?
Huh?
So there's a timer to set on the GPS?
Yep, that's cool. We're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go start. Timer started. And then we are gonna put it in the middle to start with. Hope that it stays there. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, steering trim sorted out. You at all curious to see what that'll say right now? I know I am. I also want to check real quick and see if I'm taking on water. 23.4 miles per hour is what it says right now. Doesn't look like I'm taking on any water. So, let's see if we can get it going a little faster, shall we? Try the GPS in the other position. This one's affecting the handling, and I want to see if the other position's better. And we'll check it again at the same time. .8 it says right now. Now, the only thing I was worried about is this rear position tends to get wetter. See the difference in handling already? I do. Much smoother. Might be faster too, because more of the boat will come out of the water. So we'll be able to test stuff like that. I love GPS for that. Okay, you think we broke 30 there?
Possibly.
I thought it might be in that range anyway. Doesn't want to turn real sharp and hard. You gotta be careful turning. He flies though, that's for sure. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I've got a pretty good idea of what the speeds are like now. I got 27.8 again. So we are going to call that the maximum speed was about 27, 28 miles an hour. Now let's see if it makes a difference without the extra. See the difference? It's faster too, without the extra weight on board. Like that? Is that a good shot?
Seemed to be.
Try to get it like almost as flat as the camera, but not quite. You know what I mean? Definitely got some speed. Also, I should point out these batteries aren't discharging at a very high amperage. The Super V is a much lighter boat and a much shallower V, so it's got less resistance in the water. So this one would work better at higher amperage. I'd get a lot more speed. I'd break 30 for sure. Doesn't seem to be taking on water, which I'm liking. See how slow it got? How much time is it showing right now?
Almost 8 minutes.
I'm gonna try something. Throttle trim it back. Dude, you see that boat out there? How much you want to bet I can make it out to it? Actually, with this radio, probably not. I'm used to my 3 p.m. Ah, look at that. I'm at the limit of my range right there.
Mm.
Oh, dude, we gotta go. Battery power too. That's why. You'll notice the edge of your range gets shorter as your batteries get weaker. See how slower it's getting? So we'll bring it. Look at this. I got this little platform right here. To stand on. My little coffee. Beautiful. I love this spot. It's like the best spot in the city for running a boat. Okay. Here. Zoom in on the boat here, see what damage was done. I feel some warmth coming from my battery connectors. You know what that tells me? They were pulling a lot of amps today. This boat pulls crazy amperage. Okay, so we're gonna just pull these out. Just make sure. Yeah, it's a good thing to see. This is why I have gold connectors everywhere. Okay, see the gold connectors and see inside they're gold. everywhere. It's the reason being is they're the most conductive. And if you see gold connectors, these are Deans, and this is Traxxas. But they are the best, folks. Absolutely, by far the best. Okay, now, I want to get this box open. It was sealed pretty good, too. That's why I didn't bother putting extra tape on it. It seals itself up real well. Now, I wanted to show you. There's no water in this boat. It's nothing. And this is the damage. There was actually a hole that went all the way here. Caved that whole section right in. I puffed it out, reshaped it, added some rubber automotive coating inside and out. If you can show inside there, that'd be cool. Anyway, we did have the GPS in the boat today, and as you can see in the video, I did, however, shut it off. It did show 27.8, just under 28 miles an hour, which isn't bad, but there's other things I can do. I haven't lubricated this in a while, and that'll make a difference. The prop angle is actually set really high, and I should do the opposite. I should set it really deep so that the whole boat rides up out of the water. This is how you have it for rough water. That's why it was kind of choppy, but stable going in a straight line. So I'll change the actual setup. I didn't know what we'd see for water, so I just set it up for kind of worst case scenario. So next time I'll set this up for light running. Plus, there's almost no lubricant in this right now. I've let it go a couple of times since last time I ran it. So that'll help too. So there's a couple of things that can be done. Anyway, there's the proof, 27.8 miles an hour. This one tends to be inaccurate on the negative side as opposed to on the positive side. And to be perfectly honest, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 30 there. Because especially after I took off the GPS, the video will show it just got faster. So I'm guessing we saw about 30 today. Anyway, that's it. Keith out. Okay, you want to shut off?